tingnan natin if it's going to create a sell on news on the launch. Yung continuation no, nung today na yung approval na inaantay natin for the XRP RLUSD. Okay? So XRP RLUSD, may po inaantay nating launch, no? Launch obviously with the approval of New York DFS. Ayan. So tingnan natin if it's going to create a sell on news on the launch, no? But definitely December 4th ang inaantay natin mga kameranda. Of course, it's already approved by New York Department of Financial Services. No? It's going to launch on the XRPL and Ethereum. 1:1 ang kanyang backup. Okay. And obviously, it's going to create better optics on Ripple as a blockchain and Ethereum.